made a completely new TikTok page and got millions of views and almost 10k followers within a few weeks, all with the viral Roblox Rant videos, which take me around 10 minutes to make. And no, it's not by asking ChatGPT make me a rant script. I'll show you my complete proven method, so make sure you stick around till the end. The most important thing about this niche is the idea, and I'll show you my method of finding viral video ideas and making a viral script within 3 minutes at most. What you want to do is go to YouTube and find other creators that are making rant videos. As you can see, this is a very popular creator, and you can do that on TikTok as well, it doesn't matter. And you sort either by popular or latest. If you do by latest, you can see the amount of views the creator usually gets, and as you can see, this one is a recent video that is an outlier. It has almost 10 million views. So what I would do is actually go here, check the script. If the video is something I would do, I would just copy link address here, right click and copy link address, and then go to this website. By the way, every tool I use, I will leave down the description, and I will even leave a folder with all the resources you're gonna need for the editing part. We'll talk about that later. So you paste here your link and you get free transcript, and here you can see you just copy the transcript. But what you're gonna do is actually go to ChatGPT. You're not gonna make the same exact idea. You're gonna ask ChatGPT, and what you're gonna do is create a script in the same style. Do not copy the script with a similar idea. You just paste the script. It basically finds a different idea. This script is not the best one. I will use a different one for the editing part, and I will actually show you which one I used. It was from this page, and it was their most viral short, which was this one basically. I just realized why we're scared of ghosts. Like, look, make one similar to this but another idea, and I just pasted the script. And look at this. My hack to make this look less ChatGPT is add swear words, like quite literally. And then you would go to ElevenLabs, and I will leave for that a link in the description as well. It's an affiliate link if you want to help out the channel. Actually, here I also have my script ready, and then you would use Adam for your voice here, and it's actually very cheap. It's like $5 a month, and it has a free trial. Like, you don't need that many credits, and you can even use 11 Flash 2.5, which is 50% cheaper. It's basically the same thing, and you leave these as they are, and within a few seconds you have your own voice. You might want to redo that sometimes. Wait, let me hear this one.
Bro, I just realized.
For example, this one is not that good. When it doesn't come out that good, you need to regenerate speech. You have free regenerations, 2 free regenerations.
Bro, I just realized. Why are we scared of aliens?
This one is much better. I would say that you would have to do that up to 8 times to get a perfect voiceover, because sometimes it just does weird stuff. But I already have this one ready. I'm just doing that to save time. I have everything ready for you to showcase how I edited my most viral video, you know? I think it makes sense. Now what you want to do is get gameplay footage. You can go to Roblox yourself and play, and if you do that for 30 minutes, you will have footage for a whole month. If you don't want to play, but I wouldn't suggest that, I wouldn't recommend that, you can do Roblox parkour gameplay on YouTube, and there is this one that has no commentary, for example, and no copyright for TikTok and YouTube. But I would not do that because it's better to have your own character and, you know, just brand yourself. And then when you have everything ready, you go to CapCut and you just drop your footage. For example, this is the footage I used for all my clips. It won't be horizontal for you, you will just have to zoom in, but it's pretty easy. Then you just drop your voiceover also, and you need to change the speed of the voiceover. I usually do 1.4, turn on the keep pitch.
Bro, I just realized. Why are we scared of aliens?
Yeah, that sounds pretty good. And for the footage, I would do probably 1.5. So then you want to cut your silences from your audio, like literally do this and move it like this.
Realized. Why are we scared?
This makes the viewer want to stay more. Because it goes so fast, it boosts the retention rate. Sometimes you will need to have a bigger pause just to make it sound a bit better. I will lower the gameplay speed because it seems to not fit our script. Or you can have it at normal, it doesn't really matter, it's mostly the voice that you want to change. And now what we want to do is add memes. That's all. The way I find memes is by using Pinterest. I, for example, have a whole folder here with memes. I will leave a folder in the description below with all the memes I have and with the 2 sound effects I use most of the time. I will tell you about that in a bit. What I do is always use the first meme in the first 2 seconds. So here is about aliens. I would go to Pinterest and type aliens funny, and you have a bunch of things here. It's very simple, you just click on it and then you go right click, save image as, and you're done. So let's go back here. For example, for the alien one, I have this one. Just drag it here.
Bro, I just realized. Why
and let's make it smaller. I usually put it in the middle, and you go to animation, click on fade in, go to out, and click on fade out. That's it.
Why are
Look,
we scared of aliens? Like if they
let's make it longer.
Why are we scared of aliens? Like if they show up one day and they're
That's it basically, and you do that for every single one. And then you add a sound effect here. I have one which is the rock, just cut it here and put it where it starts. The volume like -15. Let's hear this one.
Why are we scared of aliens?
A bit louder, I think it's fine. Let's put it a bit in front. You know, when the meme appears, you hear the sound effect. Something like that should be fine.
Scared of aliens. Like if
And then you do that for the rest of the script. You just put another image here. Let's put a whatever, like this one, I'm cooked. Have another sound effect, which is death bell, like Heather Taker.
dramatic. Why don't we just confuse the hell out of them? Imagine they
Perfect, right? And you can find more sound effects. I used to do lots of sound effects earlier, but it didn't matter that much. Here on soundbuttonsworld.com, you can find different sound effects with very popular memes. And for the music, I use this one. You can just add it on TikTok. If you want to upload this on YouTube, you just grab here the link, share, copy link, and go to sstig.io. Just paste the link here and download the sound. For the subtitles, I always do them on TikTok because it's very easy, like auto subtitles, but you can do them on CapCut as well if you want. Like go to captions, do generate, and you just put them like above your memes. Make this smaller actually. And for the font, I use Helvetica when I edit on CapCut, and you just add a stroke, like around 40 should be fine. Yeah, but you cannot add emojis, because if you do add emojis, like the dead one, let's say, it looks Windows type emojis. It's not good. So that's why I always use TikTok for the subs. The emojis I used were the skull, this combination, the heartbreak, and the dead rose. And yeah, all the resources, all the links, and then the folder with the editing stuff will be down in the description. I hope this video helped you, and if you did enjoy and if you did learn something, make sure to subscribe and stick around because more of these videos are on the way. So see you next time.